Hello everyone, welcome to Xylostar, new weekly market update with us with Mr. Amedian and Mr. Summer and Neil. Let's go.
Markets are seeing some volatile movements on lower time frames this week, or the past one, the one that happened already. So we are seeing some drawback in gold prices and many other assets like NASDAQ. So it's a little bit tricky where we've seen markets heading on a shorter term, and we'll see how it's working out.
Negotiations are at the final step between Ukraine and Russia with the US support, and on the other hand, Bybit got hacked and $1.2 billion lost.
Alright everyone, Sam Raslan is here. I'm a technical analyst at Xylostar, and here we are kicking off our market updates. Feel free to follow our TradingView terminal as we post every single market updates fresh there, so you get the picture as soon as it's published. So to kick it off, as usual with the dollar index, actually this week we're going to do something different, not with the dollar index, and we're going to be speaking about Nifty 50. Right, so on the 4 hours time frame, we can see Nifty 50 clearly doing a very strong bearish trend, and we can see a beautiful descending triangle also forming, and Nifty 50 is finding a strong support exactly at the level of 22,800. And from here, we might see a final retracement to the trend line before a break to an eventual expected level of 21,700. Right, so it's looking beautiful for a bearish trade. Make sure to follow risk management and be aware of the position you are taking in your portfolio. Now that's about Nifty 50. Going to NASDAQ, yes, it has retraced the support, and actually it has, instead of continuing its bullish momentum, it has crashed. And right now we are seeing a continuation in this bearish crash till it reaches the level of 21,300s, and from here sits in a mid-range of this consolidation that has happened for a quite long time. Right, we can expect it to retrace to the resistance of 21,900s or 800s even. Right, and from here we might see it also coming back again, so something like that. Right, because it has to fill that fair value gap. Now it might after that consolidate for a while, but overall on a very longer term, of course, all indices are bullish. So are we seeing a discounted price for a longer term investment? That could be the case. But for a short term, yes, we are expecting a continuation in this fall. So this is about NASDAQ. Going to Bitcoin, yes, Bitcoin for the past few weeks, it's not really doing a lot. Right, and keep consolidating, as you can see on a 4 hours time frame. You can see it still consolidating in this symmetrical triangle, and we could break to either sides. Now this liquidation was anticipated, right, but we were looking actually for a further fall. However, still traders are not very comfortable with dumping Bitcoin still. Traders of all kind. So this momentum here was caused because Bitcoin reached to a solid support. However, after a consolidation for a long period of time, we can see two fine indications, in my opinions. We have a rejection here, and also we have a strong Marubozu, as in bearish form after a doji. Actually, it's not a doji, but this candle represents indecision also. So we might see Bitcoin crashing as there are stronger, let's say, stronger signs to the bearish side still, right? So be careful trading Bitcoin, follow risk management, but yes, right now it's still consolidating and it could break out to either side. So that will be about Bitcoin for the upcoming week.
So guys, let's check together Xylostar strategies. We'll start with the gold market and go into the Euro USD market. First of all, in gold markets this week, like it's showing that the market is in consolidation and it is doing a range, and at the same time on 20th February it makes the highest price, which is 2,956. and let's say it's our resistance area, and let's say it's manipulated our resistance also as well. And now the market is in bullish trend near to our resistance, and he's trying to come to our support from here. So what we can expect the market next week is trying to make a consolidation and is trying to make a range. So we can expect a drop to the downside to our support from here, trying to go up again. Yeah, and it depends on the fundamental analysis as well, because a lot of attention between America and Trump, between like China, etc., and now also between Ukraine. So let's check together next session with the fundamental analysis. Going to the Euro USD, guys. In Euro USD, what's it showing? It's showing like a sign of trend reversal with the triple bottom from here, second from here, trying to make another bottom from here, which after breaking our triple bottom from here, we can expect a reversal and go into the upside. Now he's in the resistance level. Okay, it already broke our trend up, make a retracement. Now he make a double top from here, and is going to make maybe triple top from here and triple bottom from the downside. Let's say it's a resistance to support level, and we are trying to focus on this level from here. If he broke this level from here, we can get a very nice buy. Why? Because he already make a trend down from here, and it's a three drive pattern, which 1 2 3. After break retracement, we can expect the market to come till here. These zones are swing highs, which is liquidity in the buy side liquidity. So this is our overview, guys, to the Euro USD and the gold market. I trying to give it very simple regarding trend line, resistance, support, to make it for everyone he can understand this one. So if you want more and if you want to get deep in the market, you can come and try us. Thank you so much. See you in next video.
Hello everyone, hope you are enjoying your life as we are doing. I'm Masoud Amidian is here. I'm Senior Fundamental Analyst at Xylo Head Office, which is in Dubai. So last week financial markets were completely volatile and it forced the investors to stay with gold more. Now let's dive into it. At the beginning of the week, Reserve Bank of Australia cut the interest rate by 0.25 basis points to reach 4.1%. As expected. In the statement of the Reserve Bank of Australia stated that inflation and GDP growth were lower than expected, while the labor market remains strong. Interest rates are assessed as above normal, and demand estimates in the job market may need reassessment. At the same day, 18th of February, CPI numbers for the Canadian dollar released higher than forecast, and also retail sales appeared rapidly stronger later on Friday, and turned on the question maybe the Bank of Canada was in rush for cutting the rate. And after that, market participants paired their expectations for rate cuts in 2025. On the other hand, we had the minute of the Federal Reserve meeting on 28th and 29th of January. The Fed sees inflation and employment risk as mostly balanced, but wants more progress on inflation before cutting rates. Some members suggested adjusting balance sheet reduction, while others worried about reserve fluctuation. On Friday, PMI numbers released by different countries. France did not publish an interesting PMI numbers, and it led the euro face pressure from the United States. PMI numbers were in row with expectations, and Chris Williamson, chief business economist at S&P Global Market Intelligence, said the upbeat mood seen among US businesses at the start of the year has evaporated, replaced with a darkening picture of a heightened uncertainty, stalling business activity, and rising prices. About the cryptocurrency, Bybit got hacked and Ethereum drops. Bybit exchange confirmed a massive hacking attack with over 1.4 billion in assets, mainly Ethereum and staked Ethereum, stolen from its hot wallets. Walmart also reported a 4.1% sales increase to 180.6 billion in fourth quarter, but net income dropped by 4.4%. The company projected a slower sales growth for the upcoming year, leading to a drop in a stock price. And from the geopolitical side, Trump warned of new tariffs while expressing confidence that the war will end soon between Russia and Ukraine. He emphasized tough trade policies to protect the US economy. Let's look for the upcoming week. This week I want to start with the corporate earnings in the United States. So first of all, on Wednesday we are going to receive NVIDIA earning. On aftermarket, on Tuesday we are going to receive the Home Depot before the cash open, and also on Wednesday, as I mentioned, NVIDIA Digital Marathon Asset is going to release the earning. Is one of the biggest cryptocurrency companies in the United States which listed. Also, we are going to have RIOT, another one in the cryptocurrency field, on Monday after market, and on Monday before market also we are going to have the Domino's Pizza for the United States. Let's have a look also for the economic indicators and economic calendar. On 25th of February, we are going to receive the CB Consumer Confidence for the United States, and later we are going to receive the GDP prelim for the United States on 27th of February at 5:30 p.m. to Dubai time, and also unemployment claims, or let's say initial jobless claims. After that, eventually on Friday, we are going to have the German CPI and the GDP numbers for the Canadian dollar and Germany. And finally, we are going to have the core PCE price index monthly basis and annually for the United States. Stay tuned with the financial markets and fundamental together.
Thanks guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe, like and put comments.